Próbálrak meg lobogott józedet, hadd melegítsen meg gyönge kezeimet.
Mens vi venter på i morgen, på revolutionen, på den perfekte fremtid, den perfekte partner, det perfekte liv, mens vi går på kluden og drikker Odense Pils, mens vi cykler gennem byen og går til faniseringer i kælderlokalet med Tigerbeer, som altid er gratis, eller Heineken til en 10'er og kigger på de andre fra Copenhagen.dk, mens vi...
It is our pleasure that Delhi International Arts Festival found its way to our cultural center. That is the first time that Russian Center of Science and Culture participates in this huge gala function, which reflects this diversity of Indian culture and Indian ties with world cultures.
Ultimately, awareness comes also from exposure. And if you are living in an environment where you don't see these things, don't hear them, don't watch them being performed, you don't have an opportunity to appreciate them. Whereas if you are seeing for the first time international level performances that were not previously available to you, you will, I believe, develop a greater awareness and consciousness.
We should not drink more water at night so that we may not go to the pee.
Being a storyteller, I really enjoyed the films which you have made, and the way that you have worked with children and the way children enjoyed making those illustrations, and then it was really wonderful.
Movie I made was pretty good. I got special jury prize.
I found India is a movie-loving nation and welcome the movies from all over the world. I found the movies the best powerful connector between Taiwan and India.
We are cooperating partners in many programs with the Delhi International Arts Festival.
And these kind of festivals give a forum for all that. And it brings it within the reach of the common man, and many school children are exposed to it. So I think it's a very nice thing to have.
It's a festival not only for music and arts, but it's also a festival for understanding each other from different cultures and to establish peace in this world through the art forms.
Given the background of the world today with so much disturbances, all these efforts to bring people together, all the arts together, is the best effort one can do these days.
What I know about Delhi International Arts Festival is that it's really a big thing. There's so many artists and so many interesting things going on.
That when you come to an art festival like this one, life comes alive. Life is true because there is art.
It's a great effort, I think, for anyone to keep up performing art and craft traditions alive, and that's what she's doing.
DIAF, I think, is a pioneering attempt. It's a multidisciplinary, it's a multi-venue, it's a multi-event approach to culture, unifying it, energizing it, and preparing it for a grand new decade to come.
It will definitely become a world destination of culture, something highly recognized in all the artistic circles, and I just wish all the success for further progress.
I hope the generation after mine will turn back and say, yes, we worked hard in the field of arts, we invested in the arts, and we did whatever we could to make a career of the arts, but because we were so good, we kind of made a career of it, and there are so many professional platforms available for us. That will make me really happy.